Hello everyone, welcome to my new YouTube channel. About 5 years ago I did a video with Trinny Woodall and I was blow drying her hair, talking about how I do it, how I create those waves, and I had quite a lot of feedback saying, Greg, why didn't you do your own channel? So here we are, 5 years later, my new YouTube channel. I want to help you. I want to help you to learn how to do your own hair. I want to help you to interpret what your hairdresser does for you and to be able to do it for yourself. I want to be able to show you how what I do with my hands when I'm doing somebody's hair translates into how you do your own hair, because the two things are very different. So my aim is to demystify, to bring some technique to bear, to talk about the principles of blow drying and styling, and also to help find shortcuts so that you can do your own hair more effectively with better results. So please let me know if you have any questions, if there's anything that you want me specifically to deal with. I will very happily do that. If you want to show me how you do your own hair and tell me how it's not working out for you, I'd be very happy also to give you my feedback. So I hope you enjoy the channel, and please be in touch with any questions you have.